For now, let's say that I created the 12 images overall for this one, I would say the scene, and now I can pick these ones that I like the most. So for example, this one, I can go over right there and click on the download option, or whether just download this one image as I want. For the chapter 1, we've got our first one scene. So let's go ahead to the scene number 2, so the old dusty attic filled with boxes and cove balls, sunlight streaming through a small window. We can go over there and copy the prompt. And now what we can do to create something in very similar style as previously, so in the previous one I would say the illustration. We can go over ahead to the previous one prompt, so this one, and now see if we'll be using something from it. So there definitely I don't like the sentence of the cute young boy like wearing, I would say, this one clothes, because in this one scene we won't have, I would say, this one boy, so I can remove it. However, I like the sentence soft pastel minimalism and a cartoon style, for instance. And now also I can remove this one part. And now at the beginning of the prompt, I can copy and paste my entire, I would say, the prompt in the scene number 2, and we've got our entire prompt ready to use. Also pay attention that still we are using the seed, so our, I would say, the algorithm will also refer to this one images, alright, so this one image style. And there we've got the perfect images for the second one scene of our child book. So definitely I can use this one image, I can download it, or whether this one, I really love, I would say, the entire style and everything like that. So basically by this way you can create it. However, now you can ask, alright, but we've got two like the same one collections of the images. And basically this is occurred by the seed, because in both cases we've got the same one seed and the same one prompt. If I will disable the seed and I will generate again like this one collection of the images, it will be different. Also, if I will have this one seed, however, I will use the, I would say, maybe I will add another one, I would say the sentence. So let's say vivid colors, and let's say colorful. It will be also different. So there you need to pay attention sometimes when you are using the seed and you don't want to have the same one, I would say, the images, the same one collection of the images, you need to add something. Maybe remove, I would say, one, I would say the sentence, or just add something else. For example, vivid colors, colorful, like the big windows, like the natural lighting or something else. And there you can see without the seed, we've got something very, I would say, similar, however not the same as previously, and there we've got the same one prompt, so this is the proof that the seed is working. There also you've got the example when I added like the vivid colors and the colorful sentences, alright? So we've got something like this, which is pretty nice. So in this lecture we had quite a lot of informations, however it's very important, and from now you're able to create like the entire child book. After in this class we'll also cover how to edit the images, very important, I would say, indicators in order to publish our book, how to, I would say, edit the scenes, add additional characters, but for now you know exactly how to create the characters, how to create the entire outline for the book, and also how to create the scenes, so you've got the great background to start with your entire journey with the children's books.